Hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to my channel star and welcome to your reading. So Virgo, this is your reading for the month of July 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid, okay? Also Virgo, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Okay, also Virgo, I would request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Virgo, this is a short reading and there are no extended readings for this one. If you're interested in the extended reading, you can check out the previous readings that I have posted during this week. Virgo, right, so look, what I'm going to do in this reading is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay, and then afterwards, if the time permits, we'll pull out some oracle cards. So let's get started, Virgo, and let's see what your person is truly thinking and feeling about you. Let's see what your person is truly thinking and feeling about you, Virgo. Let's see what your person is truly thinking and feeling about you. And we have his Four of Wands, then we have his Ten of Wands, then we have his Knight of Cups, the Judgment, Eight of Wands, High Priestess. Mutual energy is that of Four of Swords and Three of Wands. Okay. So a lot of wand energy. So right, you may be dealing with a Sagittarius, you may be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. So, Virgo, Four of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Knight of Cups. Virgo, you are in an energy where you're thinking that you had raised your expectations too high when it comes to this relationship. Okay, you're thinking that you were living in an illusionary world. Okay, or you were with a person who had shown big picture to you. Okay, who had promised the world to you, who may have directly, indirectly stated, or they may have implied to you that they have some big plans with you. But probably it was too good to be true. Okay, and you were just riding the mountain of hopes. Okay, and you are feeling that it's an unending mountain. The hopes are just piling up and nothing concrete is happening. Okay. You're getting exhausted because when you say something, your mouth is being shut by showing some pictures, some big dreams to you. Your mouth is being shut by raising your hopes, but at the end of the day they are just hopes. It's not a reality. And your dreams were only increasing day by day when it comes to this connection or this person. And during separation, you especially realized, okay, Virgo, that these dreams had become a burden. Okay, the expectations from this relationship had become a burden for you. It was it was like a carrot is being shown to you, and you're being asked to work around that carrot. You're being asked to dance around that carrot. Okay, what is happening at the end of the day? You're not getting the carrot, but you're exhausting yourself because you're dancing too much around the carrot. I mean, that's the kind of a feeling you're getting. You're exhausted. You're really exhausted. So, probably this person was someone, Virgo, who raised your hopes, and they may have got some work done from you, or they raised your hopes and then they got something in return from you. Return, they got something. It can be anything in return. It can be money, like you were the person who were incurring a lot of monetary expenses in this relationship. It was a lot of love. You were the person who kept on showering a lot of love on this person. They were enjoying the love, care, and they were enjoying the comfort you were showering on them. Okay, they were enjoying getting healed because of your presence in their life. They were healing themselves from the wounds that they had carried forward from their previous relationships, or for through whatever they have done. They had some existing wounds when they entered into relationship with you, and they wanted to heal themselves, and you were there who was showering so much of love on them. They were getting healed because of your presence in their life. Okay, so they were throwing hopes at you, and you were throwing money, love, care, comfort. You were acting as a healer to them. Okay, so you finally you're realizing that the burden is too much in this relationship. Expectations are too much in this relationship. Okay, all you wanted was love and care and stability in your love life. Okay, but you ended up becoming unstable. You ended up carrying someone else's burden. Okay, and now this separation period, in fact, I'll say, was a blessing in disguise for you. Okay, Virgo, it offered you an opportunity to rethink about the entire scenario. It offered you an opportunity to get clarity around the situation. Okay, what I'm sensing is there is a new person who is about to enter in your life, Virgo. Okay, there is definitely a new person who is going to enter in your life, and this new person will fulfill your dreams of stability. This new person will fulfill your dreams of marriage, kids and family, a home, a car, travel, okay, growing old together. I'm getting a very strong vibes that a new person will fulfill whatever you want them to fulfill. Okay, as far as your person is concerned, we have his judgment, we have his eight of wands, and we have high priestess. Wow, now this person is awakening to the fact that they were busy finding stones when diamond was already present with them. Okay, they lost a diamond because they were busy finding the stones. That's what this person was realizing. Now they are having a realization, and now there is a desperation to have you back in their life, right? But they know that you are a very intelligent human being. They know that Virgo is very well aware what they did to you, right? This person is literally begging to the god that please send Virgo back to me. Okay. This person may pop up all of a sudden in your life. I see some unexpected, surprising calls or text messages, or probably they may also stand outside your door because they think that you will not entertain their calls, you will not reply to their text messages, and that's why they will directly stand outside your door. And but they are also very scared of you, Virgo. Okay, they think that you are a divine soul and they have hurt someone who is very close to the divine. Okay, so this time around they will think twice before they come towards you. They definitely are thinking that they have hurt someone who is very close to the divine and they shouldn't have done that. Okay, so they will make sure that they don't commit any damn mistake this time around. So 4 of Swords and 3 of Wands. There is a lot of thinking, there is a lot of waiting because there is a lot of thinking and waiting that the change will happen in this situation. A lot of thinking about this entire situation. You want to change and you want to move in a different direction, Virgo. That's the energy I'm getting. As far as your person is concerned, they want to change, but they want to come towards you. They want to reignite the situation. Okay. But let me tell you, Virgo, whosoever the new person is, this person is going to fulfill all of your dreams. Whatever you wanted from your previous relationship, it will get fulfilled by this new person. And this person is going to love you a lot. They're going to love you a lot. Okay? Alright. I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.